you are doing good and welcome back to my another video. Today I am sharing a South Indian breakfast recipe. It's Ven Pongal. It's pretty easy recipe. So let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 1 glass of raw rice and half glass of moong dal. Wash it and pour enough water and soak it about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, in a pressure cooker, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once it heats up, then add rice and dal and roast it for few minutes. Now add 5 glasses of water. Pongal should be soft and mushy. So hence we add double quantity of water to get right consistency for the pongal. Add salt, mix it and cook it for 5 whistles. Now it's cooked well. Next, in a pan, add 3 teaspoons of ghee. Once it heats up, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ginger, few green chilies, peppercorns, dry red chili and curry leaves and mix it. Now add few cashew nuts and roast it for few minutes. Add asafoetida powder and mix it. Add everything into pongal and mix it. Finally, add few drops of ghee. There you go. Tasty Ven Pongal is ready to serve. Serve it with sambar or chutney. Try it and let me know your comments in the comment box below. I will be happy to hear from you. If you like this video, then like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then consider to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.